Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We have to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So y'all, I look exhausted. I know I do. But I'm trying to get into the habit of still looking presentable. I did most of my videos up to date. So they're scheduled. And on my off days, no lie, I would sit here and look like this. And I just don't want to do that. Like, I really want to be presentable every day, but it's so hard. Like, because my content is hair related, and I always want to be able to record when I do my hair, you know, so I'm not wasting, like, you know, time. It's like, oh, you know, record because you're doing your hair. But, like, that makes me very, very lazy. In the sense of, like, if I do not feel like recording, I'm not going to do my hair. And I want to stop that. Like, I really do want to stop that. So, today, we are going to attempt to try to make this, a thing where I just do my hair. Like, just do it. Every day, your hair should be done. Every day, Shawn. At least for me, because I don't get dressed every day. I don't have to. So, it's like, do your hair. So we are going to be trying that trending clip claw ponytail clip claw puff that the girlies on TikTok have been doing. I'm actually pretty excited for this. I'm kind of nervous because my hair is you know, awkward length, but I think the method that I'm about to try actually will work. Why do I have all that hair? I don't know. I like it. But yeah, so I think the method that I'm about to try is actually going to help with, you know, with being that. I feel like I'm just putting words together. My hair is shorter. Well, at the awkward length, and not really able to just like go all the way back, I'm gonna try to finesse. We're gonna see if it works, and if it does, then yay! And if it doesn't, you guys will see, because this video is still gonna get posted. I like to post my fails. The reason why I like to post my fails is because I want to show that even to the people that know how to do their hair, whether it's professionally or just by the faith of God, like me, we all make mistakes, and that is okay. That's normal. Like, it is completely okay to make mistakes when it comes to your hair. Woo. Okay, so anyways, enough ranting. Let's get into it. So first things first, I want to part it down the middle. Not the whole thing, of course, because we're only using a section. We're only using a little section to make the swoopy thingies. Okay, and I don't need that much hair, of course, so probably gonna stop it right here. Okay, so we're gonna put this to the side. Put this to the side. And now work on my back. So with the back, I'm actually going to try to improvise. So I'm gonna put a little bit of my hair out in the back and just mold this up into the puff that I need. So we're working with 3 sections, well 4, but I count this as 2. I mean 1, because they doing the same thing. Eco styler, because we want this slicker slick. And then brush. Oh my gosh, it's already working. Okay, and I'm gonna add it to this little piece. Even though I ain't do nothing to this piece yet, but you guys will see. Add it to this piece. It's actually, it's staying down, y'all. Okay. 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 Now we're about to do it to this side. Yeah, I really didn't have faith in this. I didn't. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I really didn't have faith in this. Eco Styler. Throw your hands up if you know that you're a star. You better stand up if you know that's who you are. Never give up. Throw your hands up if you know that you're a star. You better stand up. I'm almost done, y'all. This is so freaking amazing because my hair is stressing me out, y'all. Why does it look like my hair is to the side and not in the middle part? Freak. It's okay. It's okay. We brought. I felt that too though. I'm just like, why I look like it's cricket? Okay. And now I'm about to take this and rubber band it. Yay! Okay. Now for the readjustment of the puff. So maybe I wasn't supposed to do puff first, but I felt like it made sense in my mind. Okay. Okay. Doing the puff, 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 doing the puff. Okay. Yay! I have hair. Got hair for sale. And now for the clippy clip. So I think my hair is enough for this clip because I was gonna use this small one, but we're gonna use this one. Okay. So I'm going to twist it a little bit. Bring that up. Clip cloth. And we are done. Y'all, we are freaking done. I feel cute. Okay, so like, no, for real, like, it's serious. Like, trying to do, I mean, I'm grateful that I do hair content on YouTube because it does make me happy and it is a passion of mine. But it does definitely make it to where my hair is either done or it's not. And yeah, that sometimes does put a damper on my spirits, no lie. But now it's just like, whatever, Shawn, you need your hair done every day, so you might as well record every day. So that's what I'm gonna get in the habit of doing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little quick and simple, like, yeah, this gonna be a regular degular type of thing, honestly, because like, look at this. Like, I was, yeah. And if y'all, bro, if you guys go back to my actual like my hair journey, you guys will know that it took me a while to get to this point. So the fact that I'm here, but okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for the constant support. Thank you guys for just everything. Like, you guys are the reasons why I'm able to do this. So I really do appreciate you guys. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep liking, keep going with me, because we're going, and I'm just so excited. But yeah, love you guys.